This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active HDFC savings account, the mobile number registered with the bank, plus your debit card and customer ID. Once done, open HDFC Net Banking registration on the bank's portal or the HDFC mobile banking app and choose New User/Register. Enter your account number, CIF or customer ID, and the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This verifies ownership. Make sure you use a secure network. This prevents session hijacking and keeps your credentials safe. Once OTP verification passes, the process advances to credential setup. You will input the debit card number and expiry to validate the card, then create a login ID and a strong password. Choose mixed letters, digits, and symbols to resist brute force attacks. Next, set a transaction PIN for transfers and register security questions or two-factor authentication. These steps bind your identity to the net banking profile, so take care to record your login ID securely and never share the transaction PIN. To finish, review and confirm your profile details, accept the terms, and submit the registration. You should log in immediately, change any system-generated password, and verify account balances and beneficiaries. This confirms your net banking is functional. If you encounter issues, such as not receiving the OTP, first ensure your mobile number is active and registered with the bank, then retry after restarting the app. If problems persist, contact HDFC customer support promptly to reset registration or unlock the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.